There was high drama at Thursday's meeting of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation after some councillors questioned why the Prime Minister and the Health Minister had not been in the first set of recipients of the COVID-19 vaccine. Councillor Carlton Bailey of the Milk River Division reasoned that the seeming delay by Andrew Holness and Dr. Christopher Tufton could help fuel conspiracy theories.
We as leaders need to lead. And if you're going to say you're not going to take it, no. But 1 month down the line, people are going to be of the opinion, then why you want me to take it?
The councillors also called on the authorities to tell the nation how they will move forward, following reports from Europe that some recipients of the COVID-19 vaccine have developed potentially deadly blood clots.
We suspend the giving of AstraZeneca in the country because it is creating severe blood clots in a number of persons who are coughing. And for somebody like me who is, what do you call it, vulnerable, you know, I am worrying about that blood clot thing.
So if taking the vaccine will create a blood clot, then stay away from it and get the virus. Then the chances of survival is better. So that is what is creating some confusion in many people. So I'm saying now, Doc, that when Mayor Maraj said at some function that he will wait and see what happens, I will join him in that line and wait and see what happens.